So the issue I'm having is this float is supposed to get pushed up with the water. But when it pushes up, it's supposed to shut the water off, but it's not doing that. And it's causing the water to go into the overflow and drain in here. It's probably hard to see. I have the water cut off now. That's why it's not doing it now. But if we take a look at this, when the water fills up, this goes up and it shuts the water off. But it's not shutting the water off. It's allowing the water to continue to flow. So that's why I need to replace that. So I'm going to replace it with this one right here. I had the water shut off like I explained. So now I need to just flush it to get all the water out. I'll use like a towel. If I had a sponge, I would use that to try to soak up the rest of the water that you can see that's still in there, because once you take out that fill valve, the water that's still in the tank will leak out. So I need to like get all that water out. So I'm just going to use a towel. It'll probably work a lot better with a sponge. You just, put the sponge in there and soak up the water and drain it out. Then I'll just squeeze the water right into the toilet bowl and just keep repeating that till it's done. So now that I have all the water out, I'm ready to remove everything. So I need to just go to the bottom of the bowl right here, unscrew all that and get it going. Now that I have everything unscrewed, it's time to put in the new one, which I have there. Make sure the levels are right to where the float is at the point you need it. It cuts off the water without it being past the overflow. So I have all that set. Now I cut on the water. I'm letting it fill up. I'm checking for leaks on the side to make sure I have everything tight where it won't leak. And everything is good. Now I'm going to flush it again just to double check, but we're good to go. I'm going to fix that hole so it's more in the water so you don't hear all that noise.